Hey guys, it is Hunter here. So we have Daniel with us, and
today we're at my house and we're gonna do
our Nerf gun collection part 2.
But since I have so many guns, I have like twice as many as him.
Since these are Daniel's guns, and he has, well, I'll just show you. He's got that entire
right there
little
box full
of them. So we each picked our.
Don't judge me.
We each picked our best 3, our favorite 3, and we're using those ones. So, for example, I chose. So we'll each show off the 3 guns that we picked.
All right, with Caleb going first.
Yep, I picked this one shotgun, double shot. So you pull this back.
Shoots one at a time.
One at a time. And Daniel,
I'll grab a bullet. 2 bullets for you.
All right, well, we'll shoot them.
Yeah, well, we're actually gonna shoot them, I guess.
Okay, so we'll shoot each gun currently.
Yep.
I'm gonna shoot over there.
Okay.
That's awesome. This is a good gun.
Yeah, so it shoots pretty well.
Yep.
Alright, so my turn now. I'm going to pick this one.
I'm saving my coolest one for last.
Yeah, so I got this one, but the problem with this one is it takes a clip, so I can't use these bullets to shoot it. But this one's called a Eradicator, and so you can take off the stock, and then you can take off this tube right here, the barrel, and just like this. Yeah, like an Uzi. So that's pretty cool. And just gonna try this stuff. All right, Caleb, your turn.
So I picked this one with the scope.
It's a nice sniper.
Yep, it's bolt action.
So I'm actually put some bullets in here.
Take a bullet.
You can hold bullets in the back right
there's
here.
bullets, the storage in the stock. You can fold that up.
Yep.
So
You can hold 5.
what you do is you open the action, pull it back, put the bullet in.
You gotta put it down.
Yeah, put the bullet in, shove it up, down. Then it's got a scope on it.
Can't really see through it very well here.
Yeah.
Take it off.
Oh yeah, just take it off.
First.
And then right there, there's a scope,
So it's kind of just.
so you can see
Sorry.
like that.
Stick that back on.
Shoot it back on. No, shoot at the camera.
So that shoots pretty fast and it'll hurt. Alright, so my turn. Actually, no, you can go.
You want me to go again?
Yeah. I'm trying to find a bullet for mine.
Okay.
You just trying to shoot at me?
No, I shot the wall. Okay, so far I've done shotgun, sniper rifle, and now the big one. It's like a
minigun.
Yeah, it's got like all these little cartridges.
You can take them off.
Yeah, just like in the war and stuff.
Really? And
So
there's the little switch right here.
it's electric, so you click it on.
Pull the trigger and it spins. You can just hold it. And it'll shoot.
Yeah.
That's
So,
pretty cool.
It's a pretty cool,
And I think
like
it takes like 6 AA batteries.
like self-feeding gun.
Okay, so next. Yeah. Oh, just take these.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna shoot it for you quick. This one won't work.
All right, you can go while I load it.
Okay, so yeah, here, take it off. Okay, yeah. So I chose a Mega for my next one. Kind of just like one of the basic ones. I mean, pump action kind of. You can drive fire to and just keep shooting, but I only have 1 bullet right now. So you just put it through this thing here. Pull the thing back, and you shoot. Hopefully it's still crack.
Okay.
And this one will hurt if you get shot by it, so yeah. Alright, now back to the minigun.
Alright. I got this one loaded up with 4 bullets right there.
So,
So yeah, that was awesome. So then, right here.
so sorry, that was my mom.
So
Go ahead.
there it is. That's
And that hurts.
yeah.
That hurts.
This
so
gun
bad.
hurts. Okay, your
Okay,
turn.
next, this one hurts even more than that. This one I got for my birthday. Bam. The Nerf Rival. So this thing, guess how many miles per hour this thing shoots?
I'm gonna guess 10.
30. This thing shoots 30 miles per hour, and it shoots these little yellow ball things right here. Feel it?
Yeah,
they're
it's
like,
just,
they're like a little bit squishy.
yeah, look at this. Like it's like a. It's literally like foam, but it's like hard foam.
Yeah, it's like squishy, but not.
Yeah, but like going 30 miles an hour, that will hurt fairly bad.
Okay, so my dad's pretty tough, and he shot himself in the hand with it, and he even said it hurts. So there you know, it hurts. So I'm not gonna shoot this out the camera because it could break. Trust me, it could. Or I might not even just shoot it in general because it'll bounce everywhere. Never find a bullet again. But that was our video of my top Nerf gun collections. So a lot of these are pretty new. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment new video. Don't you dare shoot me. Make sure to comment new.
This scope is so cool.
Yeah. Make sure to comment new videos, ideas. Subscribe.
And leave a comment down below for new videos.
And drop a fat like. Come on, some fat likes.
Okay.
We need some fat likes.
Okay.
All right, see ya.
All right. See.